Let's go. Raise the volume, raise the volume.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Yeah.
So today we have visitors. It's not visitors, they are friends. Actually, so today we have Bronwyn and Hercules along with
They are
us today.
GGT.
Yeah, joining the Napster connection. So guys,
Yes.
show kid stuff,
Kid stuff.
We're taking through London. The tallest building.
The tallest building.
Right there.
Yeah,
Tallest
over
building
there.
in the UK.
That
And right
one.
now we're probably the highest point of the London
The
Eye.
London Eye,
Where
you can see.
yeah.
Yeah.
Where you see the Big Ben.
Big Bang is on the other.
So the Big Ben is just on our right side, right there. Really, really fascinating building. And then we come over to our left, guys. Look at the view. Look at the view. And we've got the tallest building right there. Look straight ahead. That's the Shard. That's the tallest building in the UK. And then if we keep going, yeah, that's just the other thing. That's right on top of us. And there's a church somewhere
That
there.
one, I think that was supposed to be the tallest building in the UK
And
in
it looks like
1961.
yeah, that time in 1960 it was one of them. But